नमस्कार। हिस्ट्री क्लास क्वेश्चन है एमरजेंस ऑफ ए वर्किंग क्लास, हाउ द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन हैज़ इफेक्टेड द वर्किंग क्लास। द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन हैज़ इफेक्टेड ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस इन द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ वर्कर्स। ए ब्रीफ अकाउंट ऑफ दिस इज गिवन बिलो। तो इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन जो इंग्लैंड में हुआ था उसका बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव वर्करों पर पड़ा, जिसके बारे में हम डिटेल में पढ़ रहे हैं। पहले हम पढ़ते हैं मैन। द मैन वर मोस्ट टेरिबल विक्टम्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन। तो मैन जो है वो मोस्ट टेरिबल विक्टम्स है इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन का। पीरियड टू द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन दे वर्कड इंडिपेंडेंटली इन देयर होम्स एंड शॉप्स। तो वो इंडिपेंडेंटली अपने घर और शॉप पर काम करते थे। दे यूज टू प्रोड्यूस एट विल। तो वो अपनी मर्जी का काम करते थे। दे यूज टू लिव विद देयर फैमिलीज। वो अपने परिवार में मर्जी से रहते थे। एंड इन शॉप्स दे यूज टू प्रोड्यूस क्लीन सराउंडिंग्स। द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन टर्न देयर लाइफ अप साइड डाउन। तो इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन ने उनकी जो लाइफ थी उसको अपसाइड डाउन कर दिया। देयर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज सीज टू एग्जिस्ट एंड दे रैन फ्रॉम पिलर टू पोस्ट। उनकी जो स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री सिस्टम जो था वो ठप हो गया और वो शहरों के लिए जाने लगे लोग। सम ऑफ द वर्कर्स फाउंड जॉब्स इन द फैक्ट्रीज। कुछ लोगों ने नौकरी हासिल की फैक्ट्रीज में काम करने के लिए। दे वर फुली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द मर्सी ऑफ द फैक्ट्री ओनर्स। तो वहाँ मालिक के कहने पर काम करना पड़ता था। दे हैड टू एक्सेप्टेड द वेजेस ऑफर्ड बाय देयर एम्प्लॉयज। तो उनको जो भी तनख्वाह मालिक देता था वो स्वीकार करना पड़ता था। देयर वर टू रीजन बिहाइंड इट। इसके पीछे दो राज थे, दो रीजन थे। पहला, द नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स वाज मोर देन द वैकेंसीज। वर्कर्स बहुत थे, वैकेंसी भी ठीक थी। Secondly, the women and child workers are available at completely lesser wages. महिलाएं और बच्चे भी मालिक को मिलते थे कम तनख्वाह पर। All the workers had to work for at least 16 to 18 hours a day. 16 से 18 घंटे उनको काम करना पड़ता था लेबर को। They were allowed no breaks in between. ब्रेक नहीं थी। इन केस ए वर्कर वाज फाउंड रिलैक्सिंग और स्नैपिंग। अगर कोई रिलैक्स होता है ही वाज थ्रैश्ड मर्सीलेसली बाय द सुपरवाइजर। उसको निकाल दिया जाता था। द एम्प्लॉयर कुड एक्सपेल एनी वर्कर्स फ्रॉम सर्विस एट हिज विल। Thus the workers had no other alternative but to abide by the terms of condition proposed by the employer. अपनी मर्जी का तो कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर कुछ नहीं कर सकता था। In case he refused was forced to run from the pillar to post. अगर किसी ने भी रिफ्यूज़ किया, कहना नहीं माना, तो उसको निकाल दिया जाता था। In case he fell ill and he was unable to factory, he was forced to pay heavy penalties. उसको पेनल्टी दी जाती थी। The factory owner used to pay no compensation for on job accidents. और एक्सीडेंट्स पर कोई भी उनको कंपनसेशन भी नहीं मिलता था। In case of recession, the factory owners could expel any number of workers at will. Thus the workers under such circumstances had no means of livelihood, so their plight used to become more pitiable. तो उनकी दशा pitiable थी। Factories wherein the workers used to work had pathetic surroundings. There was no arrangement for light and air. उनके लिए कोई भी लाइट का हवा का प्रबंध नहीं था। The workers worked in dark closed rooms. अंधेरे कमरे में काम करना पड़ता था। Heat and sound generated by the machines also had all negative impact. तो उसका पड़ता था on their health. Thus the workers became an easy prey to the disease like cholera, plague and dysentery. Consequently, the workers died in large numbers. बहुत से workers मर जाते थे. Hence, the average lifespan of workers was lower than that of any other social group. It was 15 years in Birmingham, 17 years in Manchester, and 21 years in Derby. Undoubtedly, these sorry pictures of the life of the workers was quite terrible and appalling. women. The Industrial Revolution also resulted in making the plight of the women more miserable. महिलाओं की दशा भी अच्छी नहीं थी उस टाइम रिवॉल्यूशन में. Prior to the onset of the Industrial Revolution, the women took an active part in agriculture-related activities. महिलाएं खासकर एग्रीकल्चर खेती करती थी. They looked after the cattle stock. They collected timber from the forest. They also worked on the spinning wheels. काटती थी. Spun the yarn at their homes. Industrial Revolution brought about great changes in their life. तो उनके लाइफ को भी प्रभावित किया. The men were forced to work in the factories established in the urban centers, and the earning were too meager to provide a secure meals a day to their families. मुश्किल था खाना पूरा करना. So the women were also forced to work in the factories. महिलाएं भी काम करती थी. Women had to work under the terrible inhospitable condition in the factories. Here they were to do a monotonous kind of work for 16 to 18 hours a day. Irrespective of their hard work, they were paid very lesser wages as compared to the men. The factory owners, with an aim to entertain themselves, used to outrage modesty of their women workers. In case of pregnancy, they were expelled from their jobs as they were unable to work actively. प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में भी, डिलीवरी के केस में भी उनको नौकरी से निकाल दिया जाता था. Some of the women worked in coal mines. Also, working conditions here were appalling as compared to the factories. Here they had to work in. They had to work. Women worked domestic help and assistance in the shops. They had to work in formidable dark conditions. They had to carry heavy loads for coal in their backs. उठाना पड़ता था फैक्ट्री में. Explosion in the mine resulted in fatal casualties or injuries. In case of such accident, the owner of the mine did not pay any sort of compensation to the victim or the next to their skin. कोई महिला अगर जख्मी होती है या डेथ हो जाती तो उनको compensation नहीं मिलता था. Besides this, several of the women worked as domestic help or as assistants in the shops. Their employer got involved in intimate relationship with them. The women denied this were expelled from their jobs. Several of the women were forced to become prostitutes. The women, besides performing outdoor jobs, and had to perform household chores as well, so they had no time for leisure. Scarcity of resources used to result in domestic feuds. In brief, the Industrial Revolution had to make the life of women a hell. तो उनकी दुर्दशा भी खराब थी. Children, the Industrial Revolution had made the life of children worse than the animals. बच्चों की हालत खराब थी, गरीब बच्चों की जो फैक्ट्री में काम करते थे. Prior to the coming of the Industrial Revolution, child of the rural poor families used to work in their homes or fields under the supervision of their parents or relatives. बच्चे भी काम करते थे. As a result of Industrial Revolution, the factory owner employed children in large numbers. बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे. There were three reasons behind this. Firstly, it was completely easy for the factory owners to keep the children in control. कंट्रोल करना आसान होता. Secondly, the children were paid meager wages as compared to the elders. उनको तनख्वाह कम दी जाती थी. Thirdly, the children could easily perform the tasks pertaining to cleanliness, machines and workers in the deep end of the mines. काम ज़्यादा करते थे. The children were made to work for 14 to 16 hours a day in the factory. 10 से 16 घंटे उनको काम करना पड़ता था. They were to perform under very strict discipline पर चलाना पड़ता था. They were punished severely in a case of lethargic performance or if were caught napping. It orders to check their escape from the factories. They were tried with the machines. They were not allowed any holiday. On Sunday they were called to clean the machines and account of worker without a break. उनको मशीनें साफ करनी पड़ती थी. The children used to get tired. Thus a small nap resulted in their falling prey, running machines and loss of their lives. The mill owners paid no compensation to victim to the accident, even in case of death or grave injuries. कोई भी compensation उनको नहीं मिलता था. Children worked in mines were also leading a life like hell. According to the famous historian J.E. Swain, children lived the life of a machine while working and at other time that of a beast. No heed was paid towards the health of the children working in mills and mines. Thus, they used to fall victim various deadly diseases which proved fatal, resulting in their death at quite tender age. There existing no arrangement for their education. Thus, they were left illiterate. Moreover, वो अनपढ़ रह जाते थे क्योंकि वो बचपन में ही खर्चा चलाने के लिए काम करना पड़ता था इंडस्ट्रीज में. Moreover, they used to intimate sordid habits of the elders while working with them. तो इसी के साथ हमारा ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. Any